White chick mention my name, but devil man's trying to get attention again. Told you before, this year is the year when the real fake niggas get left in the rain. Think 'cause I'm not this.
Oh, so she's shy. Oh, I get that. I can feel shy sometimes too.
Well, with Julia, it's not just that. You see, she has autism.
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 What's autism?
Julia doesn't say a lot. Oh, Julia likes being with her friends. Oh, and she loves to play, too. Play! Okay, so what should we play?
How about tag? Wait, what's Julia doing?
Sometimes people with autism may do things that might seem confusing to you. Julia also does some things that you might want to try.
Boing, 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 tag! You're it, Big Bird!
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Julia?
Sometimes it takes Julia a while to answer. It helps to ask again. Julia?
What does your cum taste like?
See your painting? Yes.
Okay. Oh, all right. Take a look at this, everybody.
Oh, wow! I love it! Oh, it's so fun and silly.
It wasn't that loud.
Oh, well, it was to Julia. Yeah, her ears are really sensitive, so some sounds are just too much for her.
Huh.
I can see why this is your favorite spot, Julia. It's so quiet up here. Lots of pretty flowers. It's very calming.
Fluffster.
Yeah. I know that Fluffster helps you feel calm too. Hey, why don't we... I love this view. Look at Sesame Street. Everything seems different from up here, doesn't it? Wait, what's so funny? What do you see?
Big Bird.
You know, we have something we both like to do. I like to fap.
It's a bird thing, I guess.
We all have our own special things that make us who we are.
And everyone's in...
No child of God should ever suffer such horror. Tonight I ordered a targeted military strike on Sesame Street.
We can be brave.
We have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls. It has barricaded the world with hate. It has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much, feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity.
What does your cum taste like?
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian?